Hi there, I'm Yvonne de Celis from YDCtv, and I'm here to show you 2 quick energy healing routines you can do if you are having problems with symptoms from, say, a cold, the flu, allergies, etc. This first one that I'm going to show you is one that I wish I could have done the other day, but I was unable to because of the microphone I was using. This microphone with these headphones will make this work a little bit better. This is something I've seen on videos by Titania and Dondi Dahlen, who are both daughters of Donna Eden. The spelling on that last name for Dahlen, by the way, is D-A-H-L-I-N. I believe it was Dondi Dahlen who showed this one, and what she said was that Donna Eden had taught her this. What you want to do is use your thumbs, and you want to press in on your chin bone and just go all the way down to where your head meets with your neck. And then when you get there, when you press in on these points, you're just massaging. Sorry, my headphones are falling out. You're massaging. You're digging in a little bit with your thumb and rotating. There will be some sensitivity and discomfort when you do this, especially if you're sick. Basically, if it's uncomfortable, it means you need it. So you want to go all the way to where your head meets with your neck and then just come up. And just come up right out here. Just leave it right here. This is also a good spot, by the way, right here on the temples. This is also a good spot to rub if you have a headache. So, but you want to end up coming up here behind the ears with the thumbs or the index fingers, and you want to press and rub in. If you are feeling a little lousy, this particular, it's the spot where your ear meets your head. You will feel extra sensitivity there. Just dig in, because once again, if it's sensitive, you need it. So that's another good spot for doing a massage on, a kind of a tough love massage. It's going to feel a little uncomfortable, but once again, you don't want to feel horrible, terrible pain when you're doing that. So once again, just rub, go all the way up to where it goes up to your neck. And then you can actually stay right here, just stay here and rub in where the ears meet up with the neck. So that's a good one that you could do. I hope that helps you if you are experiencing allergy symptoms. I do hope that helps you out. One other one, though, that I do want to show you really quick, another spot that you can press on is the cheekbones. Start off right at the nose and just with your index fingers or your thumbs, just press, rub fairly vigorously, and then come out to the corners of your eyes and just press and then stretch out to your heads, and then come up here and go over the ears down to the neck. And then when you get to the neck, press in and just press down and out to the chest, and that should help clear up any kind of congestion that you're feeling. So I do hope that helps you. Thank you so much as always for coming here. Namaste, peace and light. Down below, sorry, probably on this edge, on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you may see a subscribe link. If you click on that, it will subscribe you to my channel. It's free to do. There's no cost involved, and you will get occasional notifications from YouTube when I make changes or updates to my channel. So please do that if you like my page, and you'll get free notices when changes are made. And you can also leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, any kind of comments you want, requests, etc. And I promise you I will try to get back to you if I'm available and I see your note. Thank you once again. Namaste, peace and light. Cheers.